Hi, good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Wenelin Ibordi. I'm 43 years old. I live in Davao City, Philippines. I'm married but separated. I have three children, two boys and one girl. The eldest is 25 years old. The second is 23 years old. And the third is 19, my youngest. I work here in Singapore since 2018 until now, 8 years already. My first employer is Singaporean. My madam and sir always go to work every day. I take care two children. The eldest, when I joined them, her eldest is 4 years old. The youngest is 3 months old. Every weekdays, I bring her eldest to school and pitch also. My main job is take care of the baby, sterilizing all the bottles, and make sure that the baby is always safe, and do cleaning, iron, and also take a bath of the baby. And I also finish contract for 4 years for my first employer. My second employer is Singaporean also. My madam and sir go also work every day. I her eldest is, when I joined him, 22 months old, and after that, after 2 years, she gave birth at twins, two girls. And also my main job is take care of the baby, do the housework. I cook a simple dish only, then sterilizing the bottle, and also I always make sure that the baby is safe. And then after that, we always make sure that the baby is clean. I hope that I can join to your family soon. Thank you and God bless.